Alright people, welcome back to my YouTube channel today. Today is going to be showing a lot of opportunities in the stock market. For obvious reasons, people have been skeptical, worried, but investors, both the new ones and even long-term investors, have been messaging me to ask about what is going on in the market. And I tell you one wonderful thing that you need to understand. But before I go there, I want you to help this video to get at least a 50 likes. And if today is just the first time you are coming across my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Yes, make sure you subscribe. As you do so, you always get value when you come to my channel, because I unpack a lot of opportunities in the stock market, especially now that there is fear in the market. If you go to the fear and greed index, you see we're already having approximately that of just 3 or 15 points, meaning that there is extreme fear in the market. But as a value investor, what should you be looking at when there is crisis, global crisis that is caused by oil, the hype in the oil sector? You see the Middle East crisis, Iran, US, and Israel, uncertainties happening, and also inflation trying to grip the market. Now, today, this video is going to be a little bit long, so I need you to settle down, because the stock that I'm going to list for you will make you millions in this 2026. I have 6 of these stocks that you need to buy in different sectors, and of course the 6th of this stock is one of the best. For me, it's one of my top 15 stocks to buy. So if you are prepared to build wealth, in fact over time, now is the right time to do so, because I follow Warren Buffett's strategy of investing, and when he talks about when people are fearful, that is when value investor steps in to buy. But when people are very excited, you as a value investor, what do you need to do? Sit back and watch the charts, watch the analysis, watch the reports, the cash flow. These are very important, because excitement can lead to some level of loss. And that is why this video is very important for you. So once again, welcome back to my channel. Now, first and foremost, I have some stock that I've listed. In fact, I follow this stock for like more than 6 months, because as a technical analyst, I don't just buy by emotions, following the way people go about stock. No, you have to monitor the behavior of the stock before you buy them. And one of those stocks that I've listed over time is LYFT. Yes, people have been wondering about LYFT, and currently LYFT is trading around LYFT. Let me just be LYFT specific. So if you check LYFT right now, LYFT is trying to go to $13 plus. It's already $13 plus, and then any other thing is going to drop like $12. But at the moment that it is, you can buy it, because it's going to return back to $30, $20, $23, $27 to $30. So at this moment, what do you need to do as a value investor? You need to add this stock to your radar, because it will do you a lot of upside. It's going to bring a lot of upside moving forward. LYFT. I know many persons have actually sold out their stock, this particular LYFT, but for me, I am holding and I'm buying more, because one beautiful thing that happens to you in the stock market is that you wait for an opportunity to accumulate more stocks. It's very important. It's very important. Imagine you have LYFT, like 100 units of LYFT, and eventually from this $13.36 that it is, it moves to $30. You would have made more than 200%. And like I said, I want to take you back to some of my analysis last year, because the time has just come. Today is just 1st of April. 2026. This same time, 2025, I did something for my community, those who are in my community, those who are in my mentorship group, my investors and all that. So let me show you what exactly happened 1 year ago. So I'm going to be, yes, let me just do this right away and show you what happened 1 year ago so that you don't follow the trend because people are talking about the trend. You follow the trend with facts and figures. And so the number is important. And so I'm going to check WULF. Yes, 1 year ago. I'm going to check WULF 1 year ago. Yes, today is just 1st of April. So I'm going back to April. I'm going back to April 2026. So if I come back to, yes, this is April. This is April 7th. 2nd of April. I want to make sure that I'm 1st of April. Or let me use the 2nd of April because my chart is not actually showing me this. Now, 2nd of April 2025, WULF, WULF, TerraWulf was trading $2.86. $2.86. Now, check what is stock price is today. The stock price right now, it is $14.58. That is approximately 428%. 428%. And I tell you one thing, because many of you don't understand when it comes to investing. And last year, I listed this particular stock around this time last year. And many did not take that opportunity. You know, sometimes opportunity might have come and passed before you realize that, oh, it was an opportunity. For me, I will always tell you, this is an opportunity for you to take. Now, the stock I'm going to be listing for you this time will also be in line with this kind of stock that has grown more than 400%. Now, there was a time LYFT was trading $18 and even $30. You know, if I go back to like 6 months ago, WULF. Yes, WULF were trading, traded $18, traded $17 and thereabout. Now, for LYFT that I just listed for you, it has another, you know, progressive growth to hit $40, but we are capping it at $30. So add it to your radar. Another stock that I have, they are also one of those stocks that many of us have been following, that is AMD. AMD is a stock that you should add to your radar if you really want to grow your portfolio in this 2026. Don't just see them as something that you should walk away and walk past. These are stocks that you should add to your radar. And I have SOFI. SOFI is another stock that we got $30, but currently it's trading now around SOFI. Let me check SOFI and make sure we're on the same page. So for you who is trying to build wealth, you don't just need to see things and walk past. You just have to make sure you are doing the right